name is Robyn Heaton. I'm the Dean of the Faculty of Arts, Media and Design. In the School of Media and Design we have 24 programs, and although they have similarities, there's a lot of differences. So the hands-on experiences vary from program to program. One of the things you can be assured though is that we have always approached our programs from a real life perspective. So students get an experience that mirrors real life. An example would be performing arts students have to actually create an invoice for their marks. We have different types of placements. We have very small 3-4-day placements in some of the smaller programs. We also have 6-week placements which happen in most of our programs, and that's at the end of study. So interactive media design has an optional co-op, horticulture industries has an optional co-op, and our Bachelor of Interior Design has a mandatory co-op. Co-op is different. It's a whole semester and it's paid. It's a great way to kind of try out those positions you're thinking of moving into, try out a company, and they get an opportunity to try out you as well. We have a really great group of teachers. Our faculty, part-time and full-time, come to us with industry experience, and the industry experience is all over the place. It could be national experience, it could be local experience, but it's experience doing what they are teaching. To become a professor at Algonquin, you have to have industry experience in the first place, but one of the things we like to do is support our faculty members who are doing things outside of just teaching. Just like our programs, our students are diverse. In general, because we're creative programs, you're going to see individuals who have a curiosity. They're very creative. They like to do things a little bit differently, and they have an entrepreneurial bent.